Unscrew the key and remove the battery. Unscrew 5 screws. Remove power connector and lock cylinder. Pull the controller out. Disconnect all ports. Note that some ports need to be released by holding down the catch. Reconnect the controller according to the wire connector and color. This line, to be connected with arrows aligned. The rest of the cables can be connected according to the color and connector. Note that the green rubber sleeve should wrap around the connection location. Tuck the controller back into the frame as shown in the video. After plugging the cable, first install the lock cylinder into the frame. You can insert the key and use it as a handle for easier adjustment. The tabs on the bottom of the panel snap into holes inside the frame. Put the panel back on. Exposure of the latch is a sign that the installation is in the correct position. Now you can gently screw in all the screws, but don't hold them in place. Now you can tighten all the screws. Install the battery back into the frame and this tutorial is over.